Yung mom will help you.
Frio to,
So
frio
you
to.
want when get meat, you try to plug in their phone and you can get Poopa to retrieve your watch. But me, if Poopa cannot retrieve your watch, your mommy has to go in and retrieve your watch together with you. Okay? Okay. Number two, if Poopa gets to retrieve your watch, okay, you can only come back tomorrow to take your watch. Okay? You know why? Because when he reaches the watch goes in here. Tomorrow, come out here. And it's gonna be smelly, maybe not even this color. Okay? Oh, okay. How about just joking now? You use my watch. Alright? Hold on. You have to throw the watch in the pool.
Naghahawak mo eh.
Anywhere.
Ah.
Okay?
Akala ko si Marvin.
Okay, hold on. Pupa, close your eyes. In the pool.
Sila yun.